Coming up on today's Panther Beat.
Student Council raises money for Maddie's Best Foundation.
Your Panther Beat starts now. What's up, O'Fallon? I'm Alexander.
And I'm Gabby, and welcome to the freshman edition of Panther Beat for Friday, January 31st. Student Council is raising money for the Maddie Best Foundation.
Buy the legendary Little Taste of Heaven cookies from any student council member or during lunch. You can also reach out on Instagram.
Tune into this week's Panther Talk podcast to find out about the art of failure.
Now over to your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Tyler with your Panther Sports. In today's sports, our boys bowling team competes at state, wrestling competes in a tournament at Francis Howell High School, and our boys basketball team faces off against Edwardsville in the Dome. Theme is construction. In tomorrow's sports, boys bowling continues their run at the state title. Boys swimming competes at Urbana, cheer competes in sectionals, wrestling continues their tournament at Francis Howell, and boys basketball plays Westland High School away. That's all for me. Now over to your Panther birthdays.
Hi O'Fallon, I'm McKemmy with the weekend birthdays. Birthdays for today, January 31st, are Jacob Burke, Amani Camper, Jamarian Fort, Matteo Leonelli, Edward Morrison, and Kayla Newble. Celebrating tomorrow, January 1st, are Alexis Ayler, Stella Bodie, Colton Durnell, Grace Evans, Ashley Hansen, Elijah Rising, Gracie Sheppy, Alden St. John, Henry Tuchu, and Mia Ben, and a special happy birthday to Mr. Martin. Today, birthdays on Sunday, February 2nd, are Callum Brown, Cashin Brown, Asian Craigfield, Braylon Dale, Maggie Deltman, Maxwell Mack, Carter McCall, Elliot Pate, Niam Patel, Marty Schneider, Vivian Silak, Chloe Wernar, and Quinn Zergel. That's all for me. Now let's pass it back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Our O'Fallon Scholar Bowl team competed in the Granite City High School Frostbite Tournament.
Congratulations to Jackson Monroe. Jackson earned 13th place for the number of toss-up questions answered correctly.
Sign Language Club meets today after school in the Smiley IMC.
Senior NHS members, be sure to attend the meeting next Wednesday for the Panther Center at either 7:30 a.m. or 3 p.m. You'll discuss service hours and upcoming service events.
Threads Club meets today after school in Smiley Room 401. Sewing supplies will be provided.
Sophomore 4 Club meets next Thursday in the Smiley Lab 311 during all advisories. See Ms. Kasif with questions.
First Priority Club will meet next Thursday, February 4th in the Panther Center. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.